I bet you didn't know that you can have yourself your own cash machine. Let me show you this cash machine. This property right here will bring in just under £40,000 every single year without me having to lift a finger. Come have a look, let's check it out. So I bought this property for just over £120,000, right? And it was a normal, semi-detached, 3-bedroom family house. But come and see how it's gonna make me all this money, come. So this was a living room. What I've done with this property here is I've converted this living room to a bedroom. Not just a bedroom, an ensuite bedroom. This room here will bring in £550 every single month. And the reason why I know that is because I've got a lot of other properties very similar to this, walking distance from here. Let's check out what was the kitchen, come. So this here used to be a kitchen, right? So what I've done is I've come in here, I've put in this partition wall, it's created the hallway, but now I've converted the kitchen, come check this out. I've converted the kitchen to a bedroom, all right? As you can see, the boiler was here, but the boiler has been moved to what's the new kitchen now, and we've now put an ensuite bedroom in there, and this is going to be an ensuite bedroom, bringing in $550 per calendar month. Now, where I'm standing right now used to be the outside of the property. The house used to end here. This was the door ending the house. But what I've come in through something called permitted development is I've done an extension, a 3-meter extension, without requiring to ask the council, without having to pay for planning permission. I've done this under something called PD, permitted development, and I've done this extension, which is going to be the first kitchen in this house. There's 2 kitchens. This one here is the first one. So I've basically added value to the property. Come and check this out. One of the reasons why I like to buy properties in West Yorkshire is because almost every single house in West Yorkshire has got this one thing. Come. Almost every single property in West Yorkshire has got a basement, right? And the basement is just empty space which could be converted to a bedroom. This is a bedroom. This is an ensuite bedroom. Here's the ensuite right here. And this will be a bedroom, over 100 square feet. So it's got the space, it's got natural lighting, and it's also got a bathroom. This is why I like buying properties in this area, because a lot of people don't count the basement as part of the house. So this is the first floor of the property, right? Let's show you the 4th bedroom. This here is bedroom number 4. Ensuite as well. Every single room is ensuite. For HMOs, I've realized that having an ensuite, it dramatically expands the length of the tenant's stay, right? Having their own bathroom allows them to stay a bit more. So every single property, I've got the ensuite in there, but also as well, it also allows you as the investor to get more income. This room will bring in £550 per calendar month. Let's show you number 5. This is number 5, but before I get to number 5, there used to be a doorway right here, and there used to be a bathroom in there that used to be the main bathroom for the whole property. But what I've done is I've condemned this bathroom, and here's the reason why. Come in. Because in here is a bedroom, but not just any bedroom, it's an ensuite bedroom. So now the once used to be the whole family bathroom, it's not a bathroom just for this room. And again, I'm gonna charge £550 per calendar month. Now let's see the last bedroom. In my opinion, it's the best one. Come have a look. Welcome to the loft of this property. You see, the thing about West Yorkshire is not only that most properties have got a basement, but they also have a massive loft. This is the loft, and come and see bedroom number 6. Bedroom number 6. Of course, it's an ensuite bedroom. But one of the reasons why I told you that I think it's the best is because there's also a kitchen. Kitchen number 2 comes in here. Kitchen number 2 comes in here, which means that this bedroom They've got the bathroom in there, they've got the shower in there, and they can just walk to the kitchen, like literally 2 steps, right? So this property has got 2 kitchens. This kitchen is not private to this room. And the reason why in West Yorkshire, what happens is the council ideally wants you to have maximum of 3 individuals sharing a kitchen. So we have got 1 kitchen downstairs, the 3 rooms downstairs share the kitchen, and we have 1 kitchen up here that 3 rooms on the first floor and the loft shares this kitchen. So with having those 2 kitchens, guess what happened? I don't need to have extra communal space because I've got 2 kitchens. They've got sufficient space. We're gonna have the kitchen over here, an L-shaped kitchen, and we're gonna have table and chairs to sit down and eat over here. Now listen guys, the reason why I call this property a cash machine, because this property will bring in £550 per room. If my maths is not mistaken, that's £3,300 per calendar month. In a year, it's about £39,500 from one property that I haven't got to do anything but put the tenants in one time. In fact, this property has already got a social housing provider that's going to take it on. They're going to take on this property here and give me a 5-year agreement. So for 5 years, I haven't got to worry about the bills. I haven't got to worry about getting the tenants. Why and how? Through this. Knowledge is the new money, guys. And you can do the exact same thing. What's the reason why you're not doing it? I'll tell you why. Because you haven't got the knowledge, or you haven't got someone to hold your hand to do it. So this is where I come in. If you want to learn how you can do deals like this, then all you have to do is, there's probably a link around this video. Just click the link, come down to an event. I do events teaching individuals the basics of how to be doing things like this. That's option number 1. Option number 2, if you have got the funds, I have got the power, I've got the team, I've got the whole power team. Most importantly, I've got the knowledge. You can put the money in, I can bring the knowledge, I can bring the team, I can oversee it, and we can partner 50-50. So whichever which way, reach out to myself, reach out to the team, let's connect, let's find how you can buy properties like this. The most amazing thing is, you guys don't even know the best part of this. The best part of this property is that I didn't have to put my own money in to purchase this property. I got 75% of the bank's money and I raised 25% from investors. You can do the exact same thing. Drop me a DM, most importantly, subscribe, smash the like button, and share this video on to individuals who's gonna find it beneficial. Have a good day, guys. Peace out. See you later. Lots of love.